Who wins, one vending machine or 100 squirrels? One snack machine, an army of squirrels. The vending machine, an immovable beast of steel and stubbornness, built to take punches, kicks, and dispense snacks. The squirrels, agile, determined, and absolutely unhinged, a swarm of rodents with claws, teeth, and zero chill. They climb, they chew, they scream. Some get crushed, others chew through wires. The vending machine rattles, tilts, and resists, but eventually it's overrun. Soda sprays, chips fly, the squirrels win the snack war. Winner, 100 squirrels, 90-10. Vending machines were never meant for war. Also, check out our Impossible Battles merch.